Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your DarwinBoxEmployee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in DarwinBox login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having this URL. And now you need to provide your email or your employee ID and your password to log into your account. So type your employee ID or your email in the text field given for your employee ID or your email. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can tap on this dashboard and select which page you want to see when you get logged into your account. For now, I'll just leave it on dashboard. You can also enable this button that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text forgot password. Now to log into your account, all you got to do is tap on this sign in button and you will be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your questions or queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.